Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking this picture right here and we're gonna try and make it look more like this one right here. If you notice, they are exactly the same picture. All I'm gonna do is try and show you how to apply the gold makeup. The first thing you gotta do is actually just make a black and white adjustment layer. Make sure that the layer is actually black and not white, because we don't need the picture to be black and white. Now, once you do that, all you gotta then do is pick a brush, any brush. I'm gonna go with this one because I don't know, I think it works fine for what I'm trying to do. And okay, so now when you do your first stroke, you're gonna notice that it's black and white, or gray in this case. Double click on the actual black and white thing and you're gonna get this window with all the sliders that you're gonna wanna adjust are the red and yellow sliders, and that is because those are the two colors that are mostly related to skin, right? So something else that you gotta do is actually change the blending mode to overlay. In this case, if you have a different model, maybe the skin tone is a little different, so overlay might not work, but for this model here, overlay is actually pretty cool. Now if you paint over it, you'll see that you may want to have or may want to do adjustments to the sliders so that you could actually see the effect a little better. Now from here on, you just gotta paint and just do whatever you want. You know, there's no right way of painting over a face. So yeah, go ahead and paint over it, have fun. Do let me know if you liked it by giving me a thumbs up. Also comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next, and do subscribe if you enjoyed it. And again, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.